How to fix TikTok live lag. So if you want to fix TikTok live lag, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your TikTok application. Once you open up your TikTok, now you need to go with the profile, which is on the bottom right, and then go with the top right, which has that horizontal lines. Tap on settings and privacy. Now you need to scroll down, and here you will find an option of data saver. So tap on data saver and make sure that your data saver is not turned on, because if it is turned on, then it will reduce your data consumption when using your cellular data. Videos may be at a lower resolution or take longer to load. But if you're using your Wi-Fi, this apply won't fix your issue. If you're using your cellular data or mobile data, then it will fix your issue. And once done, you need to go back and tap on report a problem. And here you need to scroll all the way down and tap on chat with us, or you'll have report a problem again. You can simply tap on it. And here you need to send a message, you need to select the topic and then type my TikTok is lagging and I want to fix my issue. And after that, your problem might be fixed. But before that, make sure to check your internet connection too. If it is not stable, then you might find this kind of problems. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.